Do you want your cough to heal naturally? Coughing is the natural reaction of our body to cough out phlegm, or your body reacts when you inhaled smoke, or there might be foreign bodies in our throat and lungs. Cough might be caused also by a virus or bacteria present in our body. So, if the phlegm has already built up or accumulated, the tendency of our body is to cough it out because phlegm should basically not be present in our lungs. Coughing out the phlegm is a natural way of our body to protect itself. There are two common kinds of cough: the chest cough and dry cough. Chest cough is that cough that comes from the chest, is often triggered by excessive mucus. This type of cough is sometimes referred to as a productive cough because the act of coughing gets rid of mucus in the chest. Dry, tickling cough is a type of cough occurs when the throat doesn't produce enough mucus, resulting in throat irritation. There are more serious cases of cough. If a cough is accompanied with fever, you might be infected with the flu virus. In more serious cases, if you have cough and fever, you might have pneumonia. If you have cough and sore throat, the case might be tonsillitis. If you have fever and coughing in the afternoon and unexplained weight loss, you might have tuberculosis. You must have an X-ray examination to confirm if you have tuberculosis. There are cases wherein coughing is accompanied by blood. This is sometimes due to too much coughing that some of your blood vessels in your throat might have ruptured. But for your safety and proper guidance, you should seek medical attention immediately to identify underlying body ailments. For common ordinary cough, the following remedies are most recommended to scare off cough from your body. Drink more water or other healthy drinks. Consume at least 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day. This causes the phlegm to less thick and help your body to cough out phlegm easier. Fresh fruit juices from fruits rich in vitamin C to strengthen our immunity. Herbal tea can also be taken to loosen phlegm. Soups can also be an alternative if you would add ginger and onions into your recipe. Eat more fruits such as oranges, lemons, pineapple, kiwis and other fruits that are rich in vitamin C. These fruits will help you boost your immune system against infections. Quit smoking. No buts and no ifs, just quit smoking. Studies shows that smoking diminishes the amount of vitamin C in our body at a faster rate, thereby weakening our immune system. If you have allergies with smoke, avoid areas with smoke as this will trigger your allergies and will cause cough. Steam inhalation and dehumidifiers also helps people with cough. Steam clears up the air passages from the nose up to the throat. You can try hot shower as an alternative or even inhaling the steam from hot water you put in basin. During rainy season, protect yourself by bringing with you some protective equipment like raincoats, waterproof hats or umbrellas. Wear jackets to keep your body warm because oftentimes cold weather causes cough and cold. There are over-the-counter medicines doctors will prescribe you to take to eventually cure cough. But oftentimes these medications have side effects, so if you feel that your body can still handle cough, you have the option not to take those medicines. Take only these medicines when your condition is worse for you to handle and is affecting your daily functional activities. Rest is very important. When you feel that you are not feeling well, you should rest. Sickness is an indication that your body needs rest. When you have cough, resting accompanied by proper diet will heal your sickness faster. Stay at home and rest so your body can recuperate and you can avoid also the spread of your ailment. Spread of bacteria and viruses can also be avoided by washing our hands properly, especially after coughing or sneezing. Here are some more natural remedies you can try at home. Turmeric, black pepper and honey. In a boiling pot, add half cup water, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of honey. You can add also cinnamon stick. Bring the ingredients to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Consume the mixture daily until your condition improves. Lemon and honey. Combine 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and tablespoon of honey in a small bowl. Put the mixture in a microwave oven until the mixture becomes warm. Drink the concoction several times a day. Ginger. Peel a piece of fresh ginger and grate or crush it lightly. Boil it in a cup of water and drain into a cup. Drink the ginger tea 2 to 3 times a day. Vapor rub. Apply some vapor rub into your feet before going to sleep. One final practice that helps prevent the spread of respiratory diseases such as cough is avoiding close contact with people who are sick. If you are ill, you should try to distance yourself from others so you do not spread your germs. Distancing includes staying home from work or school when possible. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment and share this video. This is Natural Remedies TV inviting you to watch our other videos. Thank you for watching.